Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Natalie. If you're not new here, what's up again? Thanks for coming to see my face again and watch this tutorial. So I had this hair tutorial actually requested. One of my subscribers was going to a school dance this weekend, next weekend, I don't know, but have fun at your dance, and I hope that this hair tutorial works out for you. It's based off of Emma Watson's hair, and so I just kind of attempted to recreate it. I know I do not look like Emma Watson. This is in no way saying that it's going to be exactly like Emma Watson's, but I tried my best. I'm going to try and insert a clip of what I attempted to do right here. And then, yeah, this is just super, it was super simple. It took me maybe 10 minutes. And it doesn't use a lot of products. I literally used 2 bobby pins and a ponytail. You may need to use more bobby pins depending on how thick your hair is, because then that would depend on how many you need to secure it. I don't have very thick hair, so it was easy to secure with just 1 bobby pin on each side. And it's super chic, super classy, and I love it for any dances you have, any times you're running late and you just need something cute and quick to do with your hair, and also any recitals, concerts, anything like that that you have and you need like a super cute look that's out of your face and all that. This definitely achieves all of those things. Anyways, just some updates on my life. Numero uno, I'm going to get a second job probably as a waitress, just because, okay, y'all should know you're expensive. You're very expensive. And so I need some more cash so that I can keep doing some videos for you guys. And second thing is, guys, tonight I'm going to see The Greatest Showman. I'm so excited. I haven't seen it yet, and everyone says, oh my gosh, it's so good. So by the time you guys are watching this video, I will have witnessed the magic that everyone is raving about. But that is not at all what you came here to watch. So if you guys are at all interested in seeing how I did this hair look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? So for this hair tutorial, first of all, I'm gonna apologize because I just had to refilm this whole entire video because my dogs were barking like almost the whole entire time and it just was ruined. So I'm refilming. This is the second time that I'm filming this. So when I started the first one, I had my hair parted on the left side, or the right side, sorry. The right side is the side that I normally part my hair on. Emma Watson parts her hair on the left side, and since that is the look that we're recreating, all I did was I dampened down my hair. It didn't have any product in it, and I brushed it over to this side with my Conair brush. There's nothing special. All I did was switch my part, and the reason I dampened my hair is because it's so curly. And it wants to be parted on this side, is it's going to start to bump if I had it dry and just parted it over to this side. So having it damp is going to help it have that sleek, kept to your head look that she has in her hair. So I also already put this product in my hair since I filmed the last video, but I'm going to show you guys what it is, and it's what I use just to smoothen my hair since it has curl to it, keep it not frizzy and everything, so that once again we just have that super sleek, classy look. And what I used to do that was the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, and it is made for smoothing and conditioning. You can get this at like Ulta, I believe, or your hair salon that sells Paul Mitchell. I just took 1.5 pumps and I rubbed it between my hands, started at my ends, and worked up towards my roots, just because it is kind of a conditioner and it's kind of greasy. I don't want to start at my roots because I don't want those to appear greasy at all, and your ends are always what needs conditioned the most. So to start off this tutorial, what we're going to do is we are going to, on each side of our head, take our finger and put it about where our ear is, and then draw a line almost up to your hairline, and that is the section of hair that you are going to just kind of separate and take out. So I'm going to do that on both sides here. Just taking out those sections. Okay. Then once I have those kind of sectioned off away from the rest of our hair, I'm going to take my hair and put it into the back of my head. put it in a ponytail, low ponytail, about at the middle of my head. And I'm not actually going to rubber band it yet. I'm just going to brush it, making it as sleek as possible and as smooth as possible right now. My hair just slicked back into this ponytail, and I'm going to grab my ponytail now and create the bun. My ponytail, I'm just taking it and I'm going to wrap it around my hair once and then wrap it around again, but I'm going to leave this small area of hair out. I'm not pulling it all the way through. And then wrap it around a third time, and then I'm just going to pull my hair out as far as I would like to get the desired bun, not length, but like how big I would like my bun. And if you have longer hair and you have these hairs sticking out, you can either tuck it up underneath your rubber band, or you can take both of them to the side and kind of bobby pin them up here on top. I'm just going to take the ends and I'm going to tuck them underneath my rubber band. Okay, so that's all done. Now that that's all done, all we have left are these front sections of hair that we already pulled out. So I'm going to start with this left section, and all we're doing to these is we're going to keep them flat, and we are wrapping them over top of that bun, making a cute crisscross pattern. So I'm going to turn to the side and show you. I'm just securing it with bobby pins. So here I'm taking it, finger brushing it so that it's going to lay as smooth as possible, making sure I have all the hair. And then I'm just going to wrap it all the way around my bun. And wherever the end of my hair is, that is where I'm going to secure it with the bobby pin, hiding the bobby pin in my ponytail holder. There's one side done. Now we're going to go in and do this other side. So same thing, I'm finger brushing it, wrapping it all the way around. And then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin, hiding it once again underneath of that ponytail. And this is the finished look. It is just a super sleek, cute bun, super easy to do. If you want to hairspray it, if you have any frizzies, that is totally acceptable. Just and I'm going to turn all the way around so you guys can see what this looks like from the back. Okay guys, so that's all I have today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel. Leave any comments for future videos down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!